Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to do booleans and like what they are, and I'll teach you how to use them. So like booleans are like true or false. So let me show you what a true or false is. So let's just type t equals true. Oops. So t equals true, f equals false. Print t f, and here it'll say true and false. So it's like these statements where like you give them commands, like say if this is true, if this is this, print true, else if this is this, print false. So now let me print something else. So if t double equals f, oops, sorry, I hold it. So again, if t double equals f, print t, else print f. Now watch what happens. It prints f because I told Python if true equals false, then print true, else print false. So true is definitely not false, so it printed false. Okay, so let me now like tell you like on some other ways, like print t or f. It'll just print random, so if you do that, it'll just print random. Now let's do it again. So it just keeps typing true. Now watch if I do this. It just prints the first one if you noticed. So let me just do it a bit more. It'll just print the first one. So yeah, let me just show you another one. So we'll just copy, or so that's just what it does. Now let me do like an equation, like x equals like 54 divided by 7 or 9. Let's just do 9. And plus, let's just like do 4. Okay. If x, so like let me do this quick. So this is like the answer of this is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10, so the answer is 10. If x equals like, let's say anything above 10, so let me just find the thing. Okay. Okay, so I accidentally printed that. So if x more than 10, Okay, so let me just do this. If x equals 10, print t. Else print f. Okay, so now let me change up the sentence a bit. So let me delete this. And let's turn this into 9, maybe. Okay, now that we turned that into 9, let's just move back. If x equals 9, then we'll do the same thing. Print t. Else print f. And now let's see. It prints false because our answer is 10, but we told it to print if x equals 9. So yeah, it's false. So let me now show you another way to use like true or false. So we could like do a string too. So xyz. So xyz equals kgf, maybe. If xyz is equivalent, double equivalent to kgf. So look, I did this capital, but I didn't do this capital. Now watch what I do. Print t. Else print f. Now, okay, so there's an error. See? Oops. So yeah, that's what so it makes an error. So you better not like do that, because that will create an error if you do that. So yeah, I suggest not do that. But you can do this though. If x, y, z is double equivalent to kgf, then we will do this. Print t. Else print f. So that also creates an error. So I recommend you don't do that. Don't do it with strings. At least not that way. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about booleans, and like booleans are like the true or false if like you still didn't understand. So yeah, I hope you learned something. In the future lessons, I'll tell you more about like in the projects you can like use true or false more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.